Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. I did it yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And not a whole lot to update in regards to these levels as far as kind of the general areas. You still have 60 cents down here as support. But one level that, I would definitely use as kind of a term of confirmation is right up here, this red line here of resistance at 80 cents. You can see right here during the morning, the price gapped up and price temporarily got up above that level, but that didn't last very long. And the price, from that point did fall back below it. So, I mean, from a confirmation perspective, yeah, definitely after today, we have confirmation that there are sellers sitting up around 80 cents. So 80 cents is going to be, that level of resistance that, like I said, I talked about yesterday, and then that played out today at the open. So keep an eye on that going forward. That's still going to be public enemy number one. And then the other point of confirmation, and for those of you that have watched my past videos, you've heard me talk about this level time and time again, but this purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, I've said over and over, hey, you know what, that'd be a great area to see the price stay above, because as long as the price is above it, then the bulls are in full control. And surprise, surprise, the power of charts. What a coincidence, right where the price decided to bounce from before having a very nice afternoon as the price started to bounce back upwards. So good to see that purple line is indeed still holding as support going forward. But in the event the price does fall below it, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price falls below the purple line, the entire chart is destroyed. I'm not saying that at all because, again, you still do have the 60-cent level down there in the event that purple line can't hold. But, yeah, preferably speaking, staying above that purple line as it did today is definitely going to be the biggest sign of power on the bulls' part. So, yeah, kind of a buzzkill that the price pulled back from the gap up today. However, definitely a very nice afternoon. So we'll see how the thing closes out the week tomorrow, but it looks like the bulls are ramping up for another potential battle with 80 cents. So we'll see if the price can get up above there this time, but most importantly, stay above it. But one more day this week, let's see how it goes. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.